Hi guys, so welcome to Disruptive Wealth Creation. Today we are talking about Intel stock. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm not a financial advisor and this channel is for entertainment purposes only. If you enjoy it, please give us a like, and if you would like to see more content, please hit the subscriber button below. Before we begin, I would just like to give a shout out to all those people who commented on my last video on Bitcoin. Thank you for your support, it means a lot to me. Thank you. So now let's get into it. Have a quick look at who Intel are, what they do, and then check out their financials and see if they are a good investment. Intel was founded in 1968 by a chemist, Robert Noyce, and a physicist, Gordon Moore. Intel initially started making memory chips and then moved into PCs in the 1970s with its microprocessor chip. By the 1990s, it became the dominant supplier of microprocessors for PCs. Intel manufactures motherboard chipsets, network interface controllers, and other communication devices in computing. It also supplies microprocessors for Lenovo, Hewlett-Packard, and Dell, amongst many other companies. Apart from the USA, Intel has factories and facilities worldwide. Past and present, they include facilities in Malaysia, Singapore, Jerusalem, China, India, Israel, Mexico, and Ireland. The US did not recognize intellectual property rights for microprocessor circuitry layouts until the Semiconductor Act of 1984. For this reason and many other reasons, Intel was embroiled for many years in litigation with its competitors. Intel's top customers in 2020 in terms of revenue were Dell with 17%, Lenovo with 12%, and Hewlett-Packard Incorporated with 10%. So now let's have a look at the financials. Intel breaks down its figures in Q4 2020, the largest segment being the Client Computing Group, followed by Data Center Group with Mobileye and other programmable solutions. It was all up 1% on the year-to-year to $20 billion. Revenue for 2020 was up 8% year-on-year to $77.9 billion. And the annual report showed record cash operations of $35.4 billion in 2020. The annual report was good news for shareholders as dividends have been raised to 5% for 2021. In the annual 2020 report, the outgoing CEO Bob Swan pointed out how Intel had exceeded its expectations for Q4 2020 and how proud he was of the company in his message. Here are some highlights of 2020 and the products Intel produced. In January 2021, Pat Gelsinger became the new CEO, investing $20 billion and plans to build 2 new chip factories in USA, Arizona. Production is due to start in 2024. Pat Gelsinger originally started working for Intel aged 18 for many years. He then left and now he is back. Looking at the share price, it is in the $60 range. The ticker symbol for Intel is intc. The market cap is $263 billion. Despite a small dip at the end of December 2020, the shares look like they may be on their way up again. Here are some reasons as to why you might want to invest in Intel. They are that there is a shortage of semiconductors, so there is lots of potential growth in the business. Secondly, the USA only has 12% market share globally, so there is plenty of government support to change that. And lastly, there is enough space in the market for the competitors as well as Intel. If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a like, and if you'd like to see more content, then hit the subscriber button below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.